Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic. This video is going to be very complicated, going a very interesting video about Polygon Matic, and in this video I will also share the latest update about Polygon Matic. So keep watching this video complete. But before starting this video, please also make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the currently latest price in the market of the Polygon is 1.01 USD dollar. 1.01 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Polygon in the market. And furthermore, if we discuss the price changes occur, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, the last 1 day. The last 1 hour change is positive and the last 1 day change is negative, and again the last 1 week change is also positive. So only my friends, yesterday the Bitcoin price falls down for some time. And you know what my friends, that is a temporary falls for some time, for 1 day, for 2 days. And now you can see the current situation. Let me show you the price chart of the latest situation. Absolutely a massive jump occurred by Polygon Matic in the latest situation, my friends. So now the Polygon Matic is going good, and absolutely that's really a good news video for all Polygon holders. Hope you like this latest update of the Polygon Matic. Subscribe now our channel for more updates and news videos.